LeapSpace is designed to support researchers across their entire workflow from one place. It improves outcomes by combining unique, curated data with the responsible use of generative AI. Start by choosing your search type. Explore a topic, find collaborators, or discover funding. Or visit previous queries. View up to 10 recent searches or access your full history of up to 200 conversations. Simply ask your question in a natural, conversational manner. The tool supports complex, interdisciplinary research. And you can add context by uploading your own files. See every step of what LeapSpace takes to build its answer, ensuring full transparency and trust. This also supports computational thinking, an essential skill in the age of AI, by showing how problems are solved logically. See key points quickly, synthesized from relevant documents, and explore references to see how research supports each statement. This transparency builds trust and saves time when navigating dense articles. Answers are grounded in peer-reviewed, curated content from Scopus and full-text research from Elsevier and other publishers. You can use follow-up suggestions to explore your topic deeper, focus on specifics, shift perspective, or see the bigger picture. Or ask your own follow-up question. For example, you can ask who's working in this area to find potential collaborators, and see who's working on your topic and explore their experience, powered by Scopus data. Get an overview of researchers to help focus your outreach. For example, by avoiding senior experts who may be less likely to respond. Now, you can ask LeapSpace who is funding research in this topic, and see a list of major funders supporting research in this area. Drill down into specific opportunities offered by each funder, potential sources of funding for you. Now let's use Run a Search using the Deep Research function, built for complex research workflows. Deep Research takes your exploration a step further and produces comprehensive, well-reasoned reports in minutes. It goes beyond summarizing. It develops a detailed research plan and searches curated literature in LeapSpace. It refines its approach as new insights emerge, and every step is guided by prompts designed to uphold academic rigor. The report synthesizes findings into a clear summary, saving you days of preliminary research. You can click on the Verify button to quickly verify any part of the report, making it easier to navigate with confidence and clarity. Fact-check and understand report details in seconds. No more cross-referencing and digging through multiple sources. LeapSpace, the research-grade AI workspace.